Looking for the perfect mini washing machine in 2024? We've got you covered. In this video, we review the top 5 best mini washing machines that are compact, portable, and perfect for small spaces. Whether you're in an apartment, RV, or just need a secondary washer, these models will meet your needs. Stay tuned to find out which mini washing machines are the top picks this year. Number 5. The DecoHome portable washing machine is an excellent choice for those living in small spaces such as apartments, dorms, or RVs. With its compact size and lightweight design, this washer is easy to move and store. Despite its small stature, it packs a powerful 250W motor, efficiently handling loads up to 8.8 pounds. The top-load machine offers both wash and low-agitation spin cycles, ensuring that your clothes are cleaned thoroughly without damage. The adjustable knob controls are straightforward, allowing you to set wash times from 3 to 15 minutes based on your needs. The machine is equipped with a flexible drainage hose, making it easy to drain water after use, and no installation is required. Just plug it into a wall outlet. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the washing process, and the machine is EQL certified for safety. However, it's crucial not to overfill the washer, as it's designed for smaller loads. This portable washing machine is a convenient and cost-effective solution for anyone looking to avoid trips to the laundromat. Number 4. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine is a fantastic solution for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, or for camping. Its twin tub design allows you to wash and spin dry your clothes simultaneously, making laundry quick and efficient. With a 13-liter capacity, it handles loads of up to 8 pounds in the washer and 5 pounds in the spin cycle, powered by a 1300 RPM motor for optimal performance. The machine's compact dimensions make it easy to fit into tight spaces, and the lightweight plastic body ensures it's rust-free and energy efficient. The transparent lid allows you to monitor your laundry, and the built-in gravity drain efficiently removes dirty water. Operating this washer is straightforward. Just load your clothes, fill it with water, set the timer, and let it work its magic. The spin dryer is highly effective, leaving your clothes nearly dry in just a few minutes. Though it's best suited for smaller loads, like socks, underwear, and lightweight garments, the Super Deal Twin Tub Washer is a game-changer for those looking to avoid frequent laundromat trips. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, it's a reliable laundry solution for small space living. Number 3. The Hourtech Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine is a convenient solution for those living in dorms, apartments, or RVs. With a large capacity of 28 pounds, it can handle significant loads, 18 pounds in the washer and 10 pounds in the spin dryer. Its twin tub design allows for washing and spinning simultaneously, making laundry more efficient and less time-consuming. Equipped with a powerful 1300 RPM motor, this washing machine ensures that your clothes are thoroughly cleaned and spun dry with minimal effort. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the process, and the built-in drain pump offers flexible drainage options, making it easier to drain water from higher locations or convenient spots. The Hourtech washer is user-friendly, featuring a simple control panel with separate time settings for washing and spinning. The machine is also energy efficient, saving water and reducing overall consumption. Its compact size makes it easy to fit in small spaces, and the durable polypropylene body ensures long-lasting use. This portable washer is ideal for anyone looking to avoid frequent laundromat trips. With quick wash and spin cycles, it's a time saver that delivers excellent cleaning performance in a compact package. Number 2. The CDWA Mini Portable Washing Machine is an excellent compact solution for anyone dealing with limited space in their home, apartment, dorm, or RV. With a washing capacity of 5.5 pounds, this single tub machine is ideal for small loads like socks, underwear, or other lightweight clothing. Its compact dimensions and lightweight design make it easy to move and store, perfect for small living spaces. This mini washer features simple rotary controls with a 10-minute wash timer and a 5-minute spin timer, ensuring an easy and efficient laundry process. The machine's all-in-one tub with a spin basket allows you to switch between washing and spinning effortlessly, making it a versatile option for handling small laundry tasks. The Costway Mini Washer also includes a user-friendly drainage system with a flexible drain hose for quick water disposal, and its transparent lid allows you to monitor your laundry as it washes. Equipped with a powerful motor, this washer delivers efficient cleaning while minimizing water and energy consumption. Overall, this portable washing machine is a convenient and cost-effective choice for those who need an efficient laundry solution in a compact space. Number 1. The Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer is an excellent choice for those needing a compact, efficient laundry solution. With a 0.9 cubic foot capacity and 5 cycle options. Heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. It's perfect for small loads, including baby clothes, lingerie, and everyday garments. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for tight spaces like apartments or dorms. One of its standout features is the stainless steel tub, which is durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. The top-loading transparent lid allows you to monitor your laundry in real time, while the quiet close mechanism ensures a peaceful operation. Additionally, the washer offers 3 water level settings for small, medium, and large loads, all with cold water temperature options. Safety is also a priority with features like auto unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and child lock protection. Designed for mobility, the washer includes 2 rollers side handles and an adjustable front leveling leg, making it easy to move from room to room. This Black Plus Decker portable washer also comes with a quick connect adapter, water supply hose, and drain hose for easy setup. Overall, it's a reliable, space-saving washer with impressive functionality for small households. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best mini washing machines in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest home appliances. Let us know in the comments which mini washing machine stood out to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Stay tuned for more tips, reviews, and recommendations. See you in the next video.